dun 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 dun. What are we doing? What planet is this?
This is the part 5, right? 5?
Yes, 5.
Part 5 of Epic Nerf Battle. Cody now has... Oh, I said his name. Do not remember that. Do not remember that.
His name is Ahmed.
Ahmed now has 6 lives. We will be putting annotations for if we have like multiple kills in one video.
No, I want to do the annotations for all the videos that we
basics.
hit him. If we hit him, you'll see an annotation
about how many lives he has left.
Yes, yes.
Apparently, this guy knows how to do that.
I do. I put him in my videos all the time.
Again, I'm Zombie Infection. You should know that because it's my channel we're posting these to.
You should know who I am.
We keep putting his name in the descriptions, and we tag him. So, yeah.
Hey, guys. Something I decided. It's fine if they know our first name, they just can't know our last name.
Oh well.
Or our address.
We're still using the peanut whatever stuff. And then
I don't care
the
if you know my name.
Ahmed, go up there. Do it now.
I don't feel like it.
Ahmed.
I will own you in Pac-Man.
Okay.
Pac-Man.
Where is my film?
Pac-Man.
Waka 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 waka.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Waka.
Wub 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 wub.
I can't see. I can't see. It's a miracle.
OMG, man.
Whose bullets?
I don't know.
Cody, I think you have extra
Oh,
bullets
shoot.
down here.
Good thing it has a case, and plus it landed on the carpet, so. Okay, good. Drop it back. Oh, yeah, yeah. Transparency shooting action, yeah. Okay.
Go.
That's right, I mean it. Hey, it said go.
Hey, time is running. Go.
Time is running.
Yeah, I said go like 5 seconds ago.
Nope.
You're scared.
Ow! Ow!
I hit you twice.
Oh. Sad face.
Did I hit you? Just to let you know I'm sitting down.
Oh man.
Sit down on the tripod.
Ow!
You died.
I need to stop going that direction, don't I? Move.
Well, over there, over in the kitchen, it's not gonna help you.
Shut up!
Oh no.
No! You answer to me! Stupid jammy gun.
Okay.
I have not been hit.
Click, click.
Repeat, I have not been hit. Woo!
Wanna try it out?
Yep.
Go out in front of me. Do it. I dare you. Stupid Peter.
Did I get you?
No.
Oh.
Gotta stand.
I got him! I got him! Oh no! Oh no! I got him! Oh, reload time. Okay.
Dang it.
Let it be known I got him.